Hey, what's up, guys? This is the boy Dennis here, guys. If you're new to my channel, please welcome to my channel. Make sure subscribe, you like, and you also share this video because in this video, we talk about a lot of things, especially making man topics, and also I do traveling videos. So if this is a thing that you're interested in, let's get started. For as today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you three websites that are going to help you to start making money as soon as possible, guys. As a quick disclaimer, this website, they are not going to make you rich, but they'll make you something in your pocket. So it means it's better than nothing. You'll be getting these few cents on you, which are going to help you to do something else. You can buy either groceries using this money because it's free money. Just doing some simple tasks and you are good to go. My first website today, it's called the GPT Planet. I have been talking with this website before in my previous video. If you never watch those videos, please go and check it. I'll also leave a link in the description. What is this website for? As you can see here, they say earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join it. It is absolutely free, guys. So what you have to do, guys, only go and register and cash out. Simple as that. So as you can see here, you can get paid you can earn up to 0.01 per week. Also minimum to pay to cash out with this website is $1. If you want more, or if you reach a minimum of $1 or more, you can withdraw. You can also withdraw using a Screw and Ethereum, ATM, Payer, and Bitcoin. Those are the things. And also, as you can see at the GPT Planet, you can earn by completing simple tasks like viewing, advertising, referring new members, and the completing offers. So after that, you can cash out your earnings to a Screw and also Netara, Payer, Perfect Money, or your Bitcoin wallet. The minimum to cash out is just $1, as I said, guys. So this is the thing, guys. To complete tax here is you won't make much money, but you can make money much by referring with your people. Just take a link and share with your friend. Once they join, you earn your money also as well. This is the thing, guys. This website is trusted. It has been here for a while, guys. So you have no excuse. Just go and start making money as soon as possible. This is my favorite one. This website, as you can see, it has paid close to 1.7 something million people. This amount that they paid, and also it has more than 91,807 members. So my second one, guys, it's called freecash.com. Freecash.com is also similar to the first one that I was saying, guys, but this one we also complete text. There's a lot of things, guys. Let me click any. As you can see, there's a lot of offers that you can do. It's also you can complete offers from Uber, which to earn you close to $6. There's this word say to earn $4. There's a lot of things, guys. As you can see, just go ahead and start making money as soon as possible, guys. I'm not advertising this because I'm gonna earn some commission. I'm not gonna put any link of these, guys. Just help you guys start making money. So just go and search for these websites on your own, guys. The second one is called freecash.com. The first one was gptplanet.com, and this one is the second one. So just go ahead and see what you can qualify for these ones, guys. It's also nice. And if I go here, we say cash out. You can cash out. The goodness of this, you can cash out. As you can see, first use your any coins on freecash.com to withdraw people, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdraw starts from 0.50 cent. State withdraw is 0.25. You can withdraw using PayPal, Bitcoin, Stack, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, First Pair, and bank transfer. You can also withdraw directly to your bank account. Hey guys, there's a lot of things you can. Hey, I like these guys. Let's go and get started as soon as possible. As you can see, there's a lot of things that you can use to withdraw using this fresh freecash.com. So it's good, guys. Nice. You got no excuse. There's a lot of things here. If I click reward, boom, 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 boom. As you can see, as the affiliates, also you can earn 5% for whatever that customer you refer in. So for every customer that you refer into this website, you earn 5% for whatever they make. You understand what I'm saying? So guys, you have no excuse. What you have to do is just copy your link, share with your friend, start making money as soon as possible. This website is nice. I've tested them, they are legit. They've been here for a while. They also have an app here, as you can see, guys. So you got no excuse, man. Just go and start smashing out there. Number three, guys, it's called the surveytime.io. Also in my previous videos, I've been talking about this. I hope you know it previous. So it's also similar to the tool that I've been talking about. So this one actually say get instantly reward with $1 for every survey that you complete. Guys, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. What you have to do, guys, whatever text that they give you and you complete, you earn $1. Imagine, let's say you complete 50 text or 100 text. I don't know how much, and it's up to you. So just go there, guys, sign up, start making money as soon as possible, start completing those tasks as soon as possible, start making money, guys. This is how it works. As you can see, the recommendation from these guys saying, I'm very pleased the payout. Okay, there's a lot of guys that you can go. It's also trusted with the Trust Pilot, guys. Go out there and start smashing, guys. This is legit. It has been also there for a while. So let's read how it works. How does survey time work? If you're looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you reach it to the right place. So this is how also is the paid survey, which they will be giving you some tasks. And once you complete those tasks, guys, you make money as soon as possible. They said you make $1 per every survey time that you complete. So you got no excuse, guys. Let's go there and start making money as soon as possible. As you can see here, sign up for survey for free and tell them about yourself, introduce yourself, I mean, and also start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1 reward. Guys, this is amazing. This is insane, guys. Just go there, sign up, and start making those $1 each and every time. So yeah, as you can see, there are terms, let's say, no withdrawal threshold. So survey time has no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete a survey, you can get paid for it almost instantly. There's no point system. Complete a survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred gift card. So this survey offers you the most relevant surveys. We match our surveys to your interests based on your answers. In our introductory survey, this increases your chance of completing more surveys and earning cash from surveys. So this is, as you can see, one reward, $1 reward on a survey time. All survey were born equal. Whether the survey took you up to 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you are in the Philippines or US, if you complete the survey, you will get a reward with the $1. So this is insane, guys. You also have no excuse. So as you can see here, there's no limit. As long as if you complete a survey which is more than 4 or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you get $1. That's how it works. Also, I want to show you now. They says never miss a new survey. Surveys that keeps you updated. We make sure to notify you in your preferred method. Whenever we have a new relevant survey for you, you will never miss out a chance on a chance to complete survey format. Choose the only word. Do you prefer PayPal, Amazon, or maybe Target with survey time? You can earn gift cards for your favorite brands. So this is how it works, guys. Yeah, so yeah, there's one of my friends is calling me, but let me finish it first. I'll answer him. So yeah, guys, you have no excuse, man. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure you subscribe. You hit the like button. You also comment down below if you have any question, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you again in the next video, guys. Bye bye.